Hi guys, it's Dendelion again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to do a soft glam Valentine's Day look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So let's get started. I've already primed and set my eyes so they're all set to go. So let's go. So the first colour I'm going to use is this colour and I'm going to take that into my crease. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with this colour from the Jaclyn Hill palette and deepen out my crease. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with this colour just on the outer V just to darken it out further. So now that I've deepened out this whole look, I'm going to use this shimmer on my lid. On top of that shimmer, it's not coming out as much as I want, so I'm going in with this colour here just to try and intensify it. I'm going to add this in my outer V. So now that I've done my eye look, I'm going to go in with some nude eyeliner just in my waterline. And then I'm going to do a wing. Wish me luck. So I've done my wing and it took me ages and they're not the same, but it is what it is. Okay, so now I'm going to do some mascara. Now I'm going to go in with some glitter glue and place that in my inner tear duct because I'm going to use the matte pigment in Kitschmas, so it looks like this. Now I'm just going to go and do my base off camera just because it will save me time, and I'm using the same products as I have been. All the products I will use I'll put in the down box, so I'll be back. So now that I've done my base, I'm going to go in my lips. So for my lips, I'm going to use the MAC lip liner in Soar. So now I'm trying to think of a liquid lipstick to wear. I'm actually going to go in with the TooFaced Melted Matte in Childstar. I'm not really sure about this lip. I'm not sure if I like it. So now I'm going to do my bottom lash line and I'm going to go in with all the colours that I used before. I'm going to go in with this one. Then this one, then this one, then a touch of this one on my outer part of my lash line. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with mascara on my bottom lash line. I'm going to go in with the Milani Afterglow Strobelight powder, the pink one. That I use this as my highlight, and I'm going to use this in my inner corner. I didn't really like how that matte pigment looked. So I've done everything I needed to do. I've done my lips, I've done my brows. All the products that I did use I will put in the down bar. And yeah, I really like how it's come out. It's like soft glam but easy as well. This took me under an hour to do, I would reckon, and that's with me filming and dawdling a little bit, so it'd probably be really quick if you wasn't filming. And I think this is like perfect for Valentine's Day. You could probably wear this anytime, but yeah, it's like soft glam but easy as well. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I really enjoyed making it. I hope you did, and if you did, remember to like and comment my video, and if you haven't already, you might as well subscribe. It won't kill ya, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.